Children, I hope all of you are studying well at home. Let's see what is our today's thought. Geography is the subject which holds the key to our future. So let's talk about this important key to our future with latitudes and longitudes. As you know, children, in the last lesson we studied how horizontal lines are called parallels of latitude and vertical lines from top to bottom are called meridians of longitude. But let me tell you one more thing here, children. Equator is said to be the largest parallel. The value of this equator is always considered as 0 degree. So what would be the other name for equator? It is also known as 0 degree parallel. This equator divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Now, semicircle joining from north to south pole is known as prime meridian. Just like equator, the value of this prime meridian is always considered as 0. So that's why the other name for this prime meridian is also 0 degree meridian. This prime meridian divides the earth into western and eastern hemisphere. Now let's see the difference between latitude and longitude. As you can see here, shape of each parallel is circular. These are all circular lines. Whereas shape of each meridian is semicircular. Size of each parallel is different. As you will notice here from top to bottom, size of each parallel is different. Whereas size of each meridian is same. Distance between two parallel is same everywhere, whereas distance between two meridian is larger on equator and the same decreases as we go towards the poles. Now how to write these latitudes and longitudes, or what is the unit to measure latitude and longitude? Well children, latitude and longitude is always expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. It's written over here 15 degrees, 24 minutes, 15 seconds north, 30 degrees, 10 minutes and 3 seconds. These are the units to express latitudes and longitudes. Now let's see which are the diameters of the earth. I hope diameter is not a new word to you children, as you have studied this in maths so many times. It is nothing but a straight line passing through the center of circular object. So what is the diameter of the earth? Well, east-west diameter of the earth is 12,756 kilometers, whereas north-south diameter is 12,714 kilometers. Now let's just quickly revise what we have studied in today's lesson. So points to remember here are: equator is the largest parallel and also known as 0 degree parallel. Prime meridian is known as 0 degree meridian. Shape of each parallel is circular, whereas shape of each meridian is semicircular. Size of each parallel is different, whereas size of each meridian is same. Distance between two parallel is same everywhere, whereas distance between two meridian is large on equator and same decreases as we go towards the poles. Now let's see what is our today's homework. You have to write down the difference between parallels and meridians and also units. Remember degrees, minutes and seconds to measure them in your geography notebook for 2 times. That's all for today's lesson children. We will meet in the next lesson very soon. Till then, bye.